Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Apple iPhone XS. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Apple iPhone XS, also known as a hard reset. It's a complete reset where everything on the iPhone will be erased back to its factory condition. So this is useful if your iPhone is acting up, if you just want to erase everything because you have too much storage, or also if you have a password on it and you forgot it and you can't get into it, or if it got to the point where it's disabled. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the reset so that you can start using your phone normally again. Alright, so here we have it. So let's say that you forgot your password, or it's disabled. It could say 1 minute, it could say 5 minutes, or it can even say just disabled and not even give you a time frame. Okay, so first off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect a lightning cable to a computer or a Mac and make sure that you have iTunes on it and the latest version is suggested. So make sure your cable is already connected to your computer. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna connect it here to the iPhone. And now we're gonna power the iPhone off. So we're gonna press the volume down and the power button. And this is gonna appear once you see the power off menu here appear. Just slide to power off. And as soon as you do that, press and hold the volume down and the power button. And continue to hold them both until you see the connect to iTunes logo. And there we go. So there is the connect to iTunes logo. Once you see that, you can let go of the buttons. Okay, so you should get this message as soon as the computer reads it. It says there is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. So here you can just hit either or, restore and up, and then here it's gonna ask you to confirm again. Are you sure you want to restore the iPhone to factory settings? This is just a warning letting you know that everything is gonna be erased, so make sure that you do back up anything that you do want to keep, because you're gonna lose everything on the iPhone. So back it up first if you can. Go ahead and hit next, and then here software update, just hit agree. So then in iTunes you're gonna see this little thing spinning right here. This is that the software for the iPhone is being downloaded. So here it says 3 minutes. It's usually pretty quick if you're using a Mac OS. But if you're using a Windows, it just might take a little bit longer. You're probably gonna have to download this as well first. If you already have it, once you download it, you don't have to download it again. But the first time, you are gonna have to just wait a few minutes till it's downloaded. And then right after it's downloaded, the reset process will continue automatically. Although if it takes really long to download, you might have to press the buttons on the iPhone one more time in order to get it into this mode. Here what we're gonna do now is just wait till it completely finishes downloading. Okay, so as we can see, it finished downloading, and for me it automatically went to the extraction of the software, and now it's preparing iPhone for restore. So this is gonna take also a few more minutes. We're just gonna wait until all the bars here completely loading up. It's gonna do this a couple times, and then the reset process will be complete. Alright, so there we go. It says your iPhone has been restored to factory settings, and it's restarting right now. So it's just gonna take a couple more seconds for the iPhone here to finish up, and then we should be done. Alright, and there we go. So it is now finished. Here's where you'll have to just go through all these steps here, set up your iPhone so that you can begin using it again. So that was just a quick video, everyone, helping you to factory reset your Apple iPhone XS. So hope that video helped you out. Go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you guys around in the next video. Peace.